The Giant Puzzle.
In S'moresville, mornings are gentle. The town wakes up slowly, just like the people who live there.
I'm hungry.
You're always hungry.
I know. Do you think marshmallows are breakfast?
Maybe just a little.
See? Solomon agrees.
Of course he does.
Did you hear that?
Yeah. The sky made a sound.
The sky doesn't usually do that.
It's okay, Solomon. Let's just look.
Whoa!
That's really big.
Is it a toy?
It looks like a puzzle.
But it's broken.
It's not broken. It's missing pieces.
When something is missing, it means there is something to find.